What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back on the video. What the flea market? What a different flea market. Like I said last time, we've been going to a bunch of new flea markets. Pretty cool. We gotta find new places to sell our merchandise. Let's see what we can find. Christmas stuff. But you're also selling Christmas stuff. Competing people. Alright. What you getting over here, Dad?
No, thank you. You want a donut, Michael?
What are you eating?
I'm getting a coffee. Would you like a donut?
Do they have hot chocolate?
Do you have hot chocolate? They do. They have kids' hot chocolate, Michael.
Why did they say kids hot chocolate?
Because you're a kid.
Make it easy, it might be hot. So
right. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I've walked about half of the flea market so far, and it seems to be almost about the same as like other flea markets that I've been to. A lot of flea markets are pretty they're similar. Some people sell the same stuff they already have and try to just keep selling it and selling it and selling it. You know, there's always those type of people. We're looking for the storage unit people, of course. Hey, some people that sell Pokemon over and over again, I'll buy some stuff from them. Or Funko Pops, as you guys know. I love myself some Dragon Ball Funko Pops, or really anything Dragon Ball. How much for the Monopoly?
That one's 20.
All right.
Let me show it to you. It's all in there. Everything's...
Yeah, I opened it. I saw
Oh,
it.
did you see?
How much you asked on your paddle?
These are 10. Give me 20 for the game and I'll let you have that one for 5. It's brand new.
All right.
Probably sells for about 30 bucks on the map. Star Trek one.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more.
These are cool.
Yeah, these are neat.
Yeah, they're pretty
they're
cool.
fun. If you're familiar with the cities.
Yeah, Oakland,
they're
stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know a lot about San Francisco, so I enjoy that one.
How much you asking on the projectors?
$10.
All right, that guy also got some of our product, but as I was saying, that wasn't too bad of a deal, I guess, because the board did sell for more than 20 bucks, but that was sealed. Wasn't much room to make money on, so I wasn't really too interested. But those projectors I just looked at was like our stuff, kind of like one of our products we have for Christmas stuff. So that guy may have a whole storage unit like us too, because those little lights he also had, there's like a little mirror with some lights on it that he was setting up too. Those were randomly in the storage unit, so he may also have one of his own Christmas light storage units that he bought. How much on these Pokemon VHSs?
Where did you put? Para las Maruchan.
How much on the remote?
Huh? Bye.
How much for all three of them?
A ver, déjale el precio. Ah, ya.
Oh.
$5 each.
You do 12 for all three?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
You want to buy?
Yeah, I'll take one.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, we got a bag now too. Sweet. Makes it a lot easier. I never really asked for a bag. I probably should, honestly. Make my walking around 10 times easier. I think it's new in box. Oh, never mind. Let's go. Good thing I noticed that. Those things are cut right there. Doesn't even work. Pretty sure. Dang. That would have been a good buy. I'd say these things sell for upwards of $200 online. That's unfortunate. Wires are cut off though completely. It doesn't even work. We got 3 NES controllers for $12 combined. That's not too bad. I think they sell for around 15 to 20 bucks each, so That's not too bad. Not too bad. How much you asking on like a Game Boy?
The Game Boy?
Yeah.
120. For you, 100.
Yeah, but the fives.
It's worth. He's had the game.
Like I said.
You guys got any packs to open or not?
I have the Charizard.
It's a
I'm
bit
doing
much.
160 for that.
All right. That's a cool stall. That's more of a stall if you're into collecting Pokemon and stuff. Like he was already about to pretty much look up the card the guy was asking the price on, see the highest price for it, so you can maybe give him a slight deal, but he wants to get retail of it pretty much because he knows what he's selling. He probably got those cards graded personally. And I want to get some roasted corn out here. They got some corn, it's like roasted or whatever. You can put some hot Cheetos on it. I think that's what I got last time. I haven't been here in a while, but last time I got some hot Cheeto corn. That was so good. How much you asking on the figure?
That one, 45.
How much?
45.
All right.
Bigger.
Dang, look at the new artwork for the Darkness Ablaze pack. it looks like it's resealed. Unfortunate, more fake packs. How much for the binder?
And $2 each, the whole label 55. You wanna buy all of them 55.
I know nothing about clothes, but this is new tags for $1. Can't really do bad on that, right? Brand new Adidas pants for $1 with tags, so like I might as well, right? Might as well. Just give it a try. Look like some quality clothing here, guys. I'm surprised not a bunch of people hoarding on these clothes. I'm confused. It's $1 each. Thank you.
You want a bag?
I should be good. Thank you.
$1. $1.
Got a brand new pair of pants. Let's pay $1 for it just because. Brand new with tags. Couldn't be a bad sale, right? Those are some Uggs, or not Uggs. They were Uggs over there too that beat up, but that was a Coach purse, you guys. First, you guys gotta let me know if that was real and genuinely worth getting. Like, is that worth getting for $1? I mean, it's $1, so I guess couldn't really beat that sale either, but. Oh, sorry.
Cashier. $1. $1.
Alright, we bought a Pokemon pack, a Silver Tempest. I don't know what it is about this pack, but it feels, I wouldn't say fake, but like off. I don't know, it's maybe resealed. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have bought that. It's fine though, you guys. It felt off as soon as I picked it up almost. I don't think it's fake, but that definitely feels resealed. Saw some kids with some Pokemon cards, so I just gave them to them. What's up, Dad? I'm walking around. The pack of cards I just opened.
You just open them up and gave them to them?
Yeah, I didn't want them. Wow. I paid $1 for these pants though.
Well, let me see them.
They're like brand new, so I just bought them.
Are you gonna wear them?
Well, no, but look, it's brand new with tags.
Okay.
Adidas pants.
Are they dirty?
No, they're like brand new. Look.
This is good for court.
Is that bad? Look, you think I could sell them, right? Like they can probably sell for some money. I only paid $1.
Yeah, that's gonna get 15 or 20.
Brand new with tag. Okay guys, back at our booth. You guys already know what we're selling. The Christmas stuff. Trying to liquidate all of our Christmas items because we have a bunch of it. We need to get rid of it. Not get rid of it. We're giving a good price still. Like, we're not just doing dollar, but we're making a good profitable price for us to make a little bit of money and for you guys to get a great price, because lights are expensive. They go for like 30 to 40 bucks for one box sometimes, and we're doing 5 or 10 bucks for a box. Like, all right, well, ending this video, I guess I forgot to make an outro. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Put a heart in the comments if you actually watched this far, and I'm out.